for the shop bigger. How to clean an aquarium with piranhas? Piranhas are impressive creatures, but when it comes to cleaning their aquarium, things get more complicated. In this video, we will show you how to safely clean an aquarium full of these predatory fish. To support our channel, we ask you to like this video and subscribe to the pet store, that.bg. Thank you. Step 1. Preparation of materials. We start with the preparation to ensure that we will clean safely. We will need a bucket for water, a siphon for draining, and a net, and protective gloves. If you do not have such equipment, you can order from our online store petshop.bg. Lowering the water level. The next step is to drain some of the water. Reduce the level by about 30-40%. This makes cleaning easier and gives better control over the movement in the aquarium. Be careful and do not make sudden movements to avoid stressing the fish. Step 3. To clean the walls of the aquarium, use a long-handled brush. This helps you avoid direct contact with these predatory fish and safely remove the buildup. Clean carefully to avoid stirring up excess dirt from the bottom. For this purpose, you can also use a magnet for cleaning the aquarium. Step 4. Cleaning the bottom and removing debris. Move to the bottom of the aquarium. Gently stir the gravel with a long stick and remove the collected debris. Be careful with your movements to avoid attracting the fish's interest. Step 5. Replacing the water and adding a treatment. After you have finished cleaning, add fresh water to the aquarium. Make sure the water temperature matches that of the aquarium to avoid stressing the fish, and add the necessary treatments to remove chlorine and stabilize water quality. If you need such treatments, you can purchase them from our online store with a 10% discount by entering the promo code 100. You can also check out our equipped aquariums, which are at the best prices. With any volumes from 3 to 400 liters, with fresh and salt water, only at the zooshop.bg, a clean and beautiful aquarium, and the piranhas are calm and safely settled in their home. Cleaning an aquarium with piranhas requires a bit more attention and preparation, but with the right steps, it is completely possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, zooshop.bg. See you soon.